everyone, my name's Dr. Sheila Kanani and I've written Can You Get Jellyfish in Space for World Book Day 2024. I've got about 11 children's non-fiction books out and some coming in the next few years. A lot of them are about space and science, but some of them are the biographies of some incredible women in history like Michelle Obama and Rosa Parks. Can You Get Jellyfish in Space is book number 2 in a series, and the first one, this one there, is Can You Get Rainbows in Space? So do check that one out as well. All the books I've written so far are non-fiction, so they're all about real things. Most of them are about science because I'm a planetary scientist and an astronomer and I absolutely love space. So a lot of my books are about space and how we might have space spin-off technologies or what jobs there are in the space industry. But Can You Get Rainbows in Space and Can You Get Jellyfish in Space are about, rainbows is about light and colour in science and nature. And Can You Get Jellyfish in Space is about animals and humans in space and the history of taking animals into space and what might be the future of that as well. Now, the reason I write about space is because of my absolute passion for space, but also because I've studied it for many, many years. But I've learnt so much about science and nature and some incredible women in history along the way as well.